Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 12th of May and today is the Nifty expiry. Seems like a big gap down opening. Goes for all the constituent as well. IT is down. Reliance, HDFC Bank as well as ICICI Bank. So nothing out of the ordinary. Straddle is trading at around 135, 140. So its time is 9:16. We'll give you the update when we take the first trade. Because there has been an announcement by Prime Minister that we should conserve everything. The stock market is not taking it lightly. Obviously, there is a big problem with the US-Iran war and uncertainties going on. So we'll wait it out. Time is 9:17. The time is 9:38. We have used this small up move to sell a 23,850 call option. Testing the water only. We haven't entered the full quantity. We'll enter when the market demands or when our view is intact. The time is 9:38. Time is 9:57. We have entered the full quantity. Average price is a bit low, but that's okay, that's fine. Everything is falling. Nifty IT may take support here. The rest is falling. We'll hold this as long as we can, but we'll be very cautious in taking this stop loss. We don't have any. Obviously, in my back of the mind, it will be a bearish trend today, but we are not going to trade that bias because many expiries in the past we have seen a sharp up move, taking the stop loss of all traders and again coming back, making the traders wonder what it is. So yeah, for now we are holding the position. The time is 9:57. This open interest friend also 23,700 call. The red one is increasing in its position. 600 put is steady. It's only 30 points. I don't know. 700 put is flat. Let's see. The time is 9:58. The time is 10:10. So we are seeing a small up move. To compensate for the fact we have sold a 23,500 put option. Back of the mind, the market is bearish, so we'll risk manage it aggressively. We have more room towards the upside than towards the downside. But seeing this distinct pattern of a double bottom or triple bottom, you can say, an impending move is there, I guess. I can be wrong also. So in case I'm wrong, I'll get out of the puts, and in case I'm right, I can have some protection for my sold calls. There was some buying in banks, ICICI Bank as well as HDFC Bank. They are rising from the day's low, but Reliance is weak, and Nifty IT, as we said in the last clip, can move up, is moving up. Yes, there is some spike in the call side, is obvious. I'll catch you at the next update. The time is 10:12. As expected, it was a trap. We exited the sold put option at around 1080. We'll see if we get a re-entry. The size of the candle. Some algo is actually screwing us up. At the exact moment selling starts. Yeah, we don't have anything to complain. It is what it is. The great SEBI will protect us, protect the retailers. What a joke. The time is 10:23. We now only have sold call option. 10:30 update. Market has again broken day's low. So we have rolled down our calls to 23,800. We only have sold call in position. Yeah, everything is all over the place. Lines up, HDFC, ICICI down, IT moving down. Seems like an M pattern breakdown on 3-minute candle. Yeah, the time is 10:31. Time is 10:43. Again an attempted up move. So not sure whether this can continue or it will just sell off. But either way, we have sold a 23,500 put option for protection. It's well balanced triangle now. 200 point on the upside, 150 point on the upside, and 150 point on the downside. Less than that. Who is bringing up the up move? IT and some buying in ICICI Bank. Open interest in this up move. Call option sellers are not going anywhere. Put option sellers are also increasing. Yeah, 23,600 to 700. Might be the range today, but with lot of volatility. That's a given. It's not even 11 o'clock. The straddle is at 109. So, as I always used to say, not much premium base to play with. Again coming down. So, we'll be quick in adjusting and taking out the puts. The time is 10:45. As I already told you, I don't know if the record button was on or not. That put option was quickly exited. As you can see, we entered at 11.25, exited at 13.15. Took a 2-point hit there. Under 2 point. So yeah, now we only have call option. That's why I already told while entering. Don't know if this move will continue or just is a trap. Because it was a trap, but we need to do evasive action, even if it means that we are losing a couple of points for delta hedging. Because this current market is very volatile. It's not the volatility that is hurting the traders. It's the premium base to start with. Now it's only 11 o'clock. Not even 11 o'clock. The straddle is risking in only 100-point premium. 100-point premium means 100 point on the upside up to 700 and up to 500. But a single candle itself is 50 point. 660 to 639. So that's the issue. So yeah, the risk management is of utmost importance, not only in this market, any market. The time is 10:50. The time is 11:50. Market is really chopping around. So we had exited the 23,800 and moved down to 750. Sold 23,500 also. A bit of a tricky position today. We'll risk manage it aggressively. But we'll also keep in mind that today is a volatile day and we'll have to bear some of the MTM swings. Everything is all over the place. Lines went up, then came down. HDFC Bank day near day's low. IT is also coming down, going up, coming down. We have a good break even in this position. We'll see if we can hold on to this. The time is 11:50. The time is 12:03. As expected, that up move also didn't sustain. So we have to take a stop loss at 23,500 put option. We entered at 12.6, exited at 14.9. 2.3 points of credit we lost there. 2.3 points we lost there. Now we are at 23,750 call option. And I'm sure that here there will be an up move followed by a down move, trapping the traders on both sides. Yeah, it's developing. IT is tanking. Also Reliance from day's high, not day's high, from the recent high. ICICI Bank is moving up. Yeah, as I said, there's an up move impending. Let's see. Take a look at the open interest. $23,700 is seeing writing. We are at 23,750. 23,500 put. A steady. They have not even budged when the market is moving down. But let's see. The time is 12:05. 12:20 update. Just an interesting observation. We have been saying from 12 o'clock, from 11 o'clock actually, the straddle has not gone anywhere. It spiked up, down, down. When we were recording at 11 o'clock, it was at 107. Now it's 12:50, still at 107. So yeah, straddle is not decaying. Delta moves are huge and traders are struggling. Time is 12:24. The time is 12:32. Quick up move, quick down move. We were sitting at 23,450 put option. Quickly expanded from 9 rupee to 15 rupees. 6 points. It expanded quickly. We had to get out. We got out at a worst position, worst price. Took a big hit there. The same time, just seconds before the expansion, we had sold a 23,700 call, protected us with for some time, but the down move was so ferocious that credit was not able to balance the down move. For now, we have 23,700 call option sell. Seems like a very trending day on a 15-minute, but the real action is on a 3-minute candle, 3-minute chart. We were caught off guard multiple times. Yeah, the time is 12:33. 1 o'clock update. Nothing much. Nice. Just down move and consolidation. So we'll just think about rolling down the call, but exactly not now. We have another 2 hours to go for averaging. We'll see if we can scavenge something in between. The time is 12:58. 145 update. Again, it's breaking down. So we had rolled down to 23,600 call. 23,650 from 650 to 600 call around 137. 450 put, we were in 450 put also. We entered at 9, we exited at 10 without much damage. We already had taken quite a bit damage in the morning in that position. You can see both the put option position we have taken quite a big hit. So it's hovering around 23,500. The thing is falling. Maybe it can bounce from here. Don't know. Open interest trend. 23,500 put option must have flood. Yes, they are going. There is 23,600 call option. Now is 23,600 call option writers. Because again a bounce. That's the issue with this round number. It can go either way. Break can go down. It can come up also like this. So yeah, currently around mark to mark positive. We'll see if we need to do any adjustment from here. The time is 1:46. Time is 2:06. So yeah, the down move continues. Post 2 p.m. there would be massive gamma spike and everything. So we're not going to take any more position. We have just maxed up our position. This penny option 23,650. It was shorted at 2, and we have put a stop loss order at 420. And the current position we have put a stop loss at 560. So now it's trailing. Everything is breaking loose. IT falling, HDFC falling big time. Day is low, it can go further. Also ICICI Bank, banks are weak, as is Reliance. So 23,550, 500 call option has been written. We are way above that, 100 point above that. Hopefully we'll be able to. If the market gives us the full premium, well and good. Otherwise, we are out of the position. If I need to show you the today's trajectory, this has been today's trajectory. Morning it was going very well till 10:30. We were up 1,000, then slowly came down, hovering around that for as long as 2 to 3 hours. We went as low as minus 10,000. I guess it's wrong. We haven't gone below 3,000, minus 3,000. Yeah, PNL minus 3,000. So yeah, the time is 2:09. We'll trail in tightly. The time is 2:30. This is the final clip. This would be the final clip. So what we have done is we have shorted at 23,550 call option, full quantity, means increased quantity, and put a trailing stop loss at cost. 425 we have entered. 425 will be out. So yeah, we will be trailing in. So you can see this wick. It's huge. Straddle pricing at 44, 45 points of movement. If you can appreciate these wicks, the MTM has had swung from plus 12 to around 6. when I was putting the stop loss. Huge and insane movements. I don't have any problem with huge and insane movements, but we are not getting the premium to start with. That's the issue. Even though VIX is increasing, intraday there is no risk premium available for shorting. That's a sad part of today's market. So it's 425. Whatever we are getting, that's a bonus only, because we will be exiting at cost on this position. We have around 1 rupee to gain, nothing to lose. Obviously 4 point to lose, but that's how we need to play the last minute. The time is 2:32. One more update. We have reduced the stop loss from 4 to 3. I mean, the trigger price is at 3. It will be hit at 3.3 and 3.25. Hopefully. So yeah, that's the end of the day. Was a tricky day. Could have been managed better. And I'm happy that I was not stuck in this position. I was able to get out on time. It's in the final hours, the market is tanking. So I'll catch you at the next update, a 3 o'clock update, if our stop loss is hit, or if it expire worthless, we'll know by 3:15. Time is 2:34. The time is 3:15. This will be the last clip. So we were at 23,550 call option, and the stop loss was hit. We had trailed it to around 3 rupee, I guess. It was hit, as well as 550 call. Yes, 550 call option was hit. Then we again re-entered at 550 as well as 500. The tight trailing stop loss. This will end up worthless. So yeah, good enough outcome for a day like this. Today we are ending up 0.6% of the capital. Hope you all had a good trading day. On the hindsight, it is a clean trending day, but these whipsaw movements were actually very cruel to the option sellers. So the time is 3:16. I'll catch you at the next census update.